Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. Sometimes within a work setting, somebody might come up to you and ask you a question in te reo Māori, and it's one of the possibilities is ko wai tō ingoa. So especially if it's somebody who hasn't met you before, they might say ko wai tō ingoa. And there's no reason to be worried about that or panicked about that, as long as you can understand what that simple question means. So wai is about who, and ingoa means name, and tō is your. So this means what's your name. And with questions and answers in te reo Māori, very often the answer will mirror the question. So it's really good to listen in te reo Māori, because our answers will very, very frequently be very similar to the question, unlike English. So ko wai tō ingoa means what's your name. And then you could, if you're not sure if they said that, you could say anō, which means again, and then they might then say what's your name in English, or they might say it slower, ko wai tō ingoa. And then if you do want to have something that you know how to say in te reo Māori about your name, so we start with the ko again, the black part stays the same, ko. And then for me, ko Sharon or ko Sharon Holt is the who. And the tō, which is your, changes to tōku, because if I said ko Sharon tō ingoa, that would mean your name is Sharon. But I want to say my name, ko Sharon or Sharon Holt, tōku, and then we keep this ingoa the same. Ko Sharon tōku ingoa, my name is Sharon. And then you could say to them, ko wai tō ingoa, and then they will say their name. So it's a very simple thing that you can practice with your workmates, so that if you are in a situation where somebody says that to you, you'll know how to answer. Ka kite.